So, good evening, everyone. Today, our class is on how to create an outstanding personality. आप अपने personality को outstanding कैसे बनाओगे? सबसे important बात मैं बता दूं कि today is the day 7. आज जो सेशन है ये day 7 है. So आप लोगों में जिन्होंने भी 1 से 6 तक ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं उनके लिए तो ठीक है, वो समझ दे कैन ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड. लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने डे नंबर 1 से आप लोग ने ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, सो डोंट वरी. आज का जो क्लास है वो टोटली डिफरेंट क्लास है, सो आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. लेकिन हाँ, हमने डे 1 से लेके डे 6 तक हमने जो भी किया है, अगर आपको उसके वीडियो लिंक चाहिए तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो, तो मैं आपको सारे लिंक्स दे दूंगा. जिनको भी लगता है कि दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, टुडे इज द डे नंबर 7. सो जिन्होंने भी डे नंबर 1 से डे नंबर 6 तक आपने मिस किया है, यू कैन आस्क फॉर द लिंक. आई विल गिव यू द लिंक. और एल्स आप अगर यूट्यूब में हो तो यूट्यूब में आप सुभाष कार्तिक लाइफ कोच करके सर्च कर सकते हो. वहां पे हाउ टू क्रिएट एन आउटस्टैंडिंग पर्सनालिटी डे 1, डे 2, डे 3 सारे लिंक आपको वहीं पे मिल जाएंगे. सो ये आप लोगों के इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए. और आज हम लोग बात करेंगे हाउ टू हैव एन आउटस्टैंडिंग पर्सनालिटी डे नंबर 7. So how to create an outstanding personality? See, we all have personality. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप सबके पास पर्सनालिटी है. पर्सनालिटी हर एक इंसान के पास होती है, लेकिन आपकी पर्सनालिटी आउटस्टैंडिंग है कि नहीं, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. सो प्लीज वॉच ऑल द previous videos जो already हो चुका है, and today is the day number 7. And today also we are going to talk about 3 important values. Okay guys, so let's start. We have already done 18 values. So today the value number 19. The value number 19 is be dependable and practice loyalty. Be dependable. This is very important quality. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वालिटी है कि आप डिपेंडेबल बनो और आप लॉयल रहो अपने अपने दोस्त के साथ, अपने पार्टनर के साथ. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई जस्ट वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय डिपेंडेबिलिटी. सो भावना जी, आई रियली वांट टू आस्क यू, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय डिपेंडेबिलिटी?
आत्मनिर्भरता.
Sir, dependability means a person is dependent on some other person for his or her feeling or for his or her need.
Hello.
And some person is related to dependent to their emotions.
Okay.
Sir, dependable. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
like my son is dependent on me.
Okay, no, that is not dependability.
Sir,
Okay.
can I give you?
Yes, Farhan. Tell me, Farhan.
Sir, I think whatever and whenever any commitment is given by you, you try to fulfill it. So that is dependability.
Absolutely,
Right.
absolutely right. Dependability means people can depend on you. People can trust you. Whatever you have said to the people, लोगों को आप में एक भरोसा होना चाहिए. That is called practice. Be dependable and practice loyalty. This is very much important.
Sir, but it is a trustworthy, na sir? If you are saying like
Yeah, absolutely. No, that is also, be dependable means people should people should trust you. People should know that भावना ने अगर कुछ बोला है तो भावना जी जरूर करेंगी.
okay.
This is like that. So I just want to give you an example. It's a very wonderful example. There were two friends. There दो दोस्त थे. दोनों दोस्त एक साथ एक जगह रहते थे, और दोनों दोस्त ने डिसाइड किया कि वो लोग दोनों हमेशा साथ रहेंगे। सो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो लोग आर्मी ज्वाइन करेंगे। तो दोनों ने एक साथ आर्मी ज्वाइन किया, और आर्मी में उन्होंने दोनों एक साथ वो फाइट करते थे। तो एक बार क्या हुआ, वो दोनों दोस्त में एक जो दोस्त है उसको वॉर के समय ही गॉट हर्ट बाय द बुलेट्स, उसको गोली लग गई। और गोली लग गई तो वो चिल्ला रहा था, उसके दोस्त को पुकार रहा था कि कहाँ हो, प्लीज कम टू मी, मेरे पास आओ। सो उसका जो दूसरा दोस्त है ना, इतने इतने बुलेट्स चल रहे थे उस समय कि वो दूसरा जो दोस्त था वो फिर भी आना चाह रहा था उसके दोस्त के पास। लेकिन उसके जो आर्मी के जो मेजर थे उस समय, वो उसके दोस्त को उस उस जो घायल दोस्त है उसके पास जाने नहीं दे रहे थे। He was telling, no, don't go, because that your friend is already got hurt. He's going to die. I don't want to lose you. You don't go. And there the injured friend was shouting, come, come, my friend, come. That situation was very tough. वो जो situation था बहुत tough था, जो दूसरे दोस्त था उसके लिए। वो सच में जाना चाहता था उसके घायल दोस्त के पास। एंड अल्टीमेटली उसने अपने मेजर का, जो आर्मी के मेजर है जिन्होंने ऑर्डर दिया था कि जाना मत, उसके ऑर्डर को सुना नहीं और वो अपने दोस्त के पास गया। that friend went to that injured friend, और उसका जो मेजर था जिन्होंने ऑर्डर दिया था मत जाओ, he was very very angry। वो बहुत एंग्री था कि I gave you the order, why did you go? तो उसका दोस्त फिर आ गया, that friend came back, और उसका जो मेजर था, मेजर ने उसे बोला कि आई गेव यू द ऑर्डर कि तुम मत जाओ, बिकॉज एनीवे दैट योर फ्रेंड इज गोइंग टू डाई। ऑलरेडी वो मर चुका है, आप उसके पास जाके अपने अपने को क्यों डेंजर में डाल रहे थे। सो उसका जो जो दोस्त था वो मेजर को बोला कि सर, मैं जब अपने घायल दोस्त के पास गया था वो जिंदा था, ही वॉज अलाइव, और उसने मुझे ये बोला कि मुझे दैट मरने से पहले मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे कहा कि मुझे पता था तुम आओगे, आई न्यू दैट यू वुड कम। दैट इज कॉल्ड डिपेंडेबिलिटी। दैट इज कॉल्ड डिपेंडेबिलिटी। व्हेन जब आप लोगों को लगे, पीपल दे फील दैट यस यू आर देयर, सो यू हैव टू थिंक, आर यू डिपेंडेबल? थिंक अबाउट इट। क्या लोग आप पे भरोसा कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, आपके घर के लोग हो या आपके घर के बाहर के लोग हो? डू यू फील दैट आर यू डिपेंडेबल? एक बार अगर आपने कुछ बोला है तो आप जरूर करोगे। थिंक अबाउट इट। Dependability is often the number one quality people look for the business world. It is very important. It is the number one quality that you become dependable. There was a cricketer in Indian cricket team. He was the dependable person. He was Mr. Dependable. Can you tell me what was his name?
Rahul Dravid.
Absolutely right, Rahul Dravid. He was the most dependable player. और ये इतना आसानी से नहीं हुआ उसके लिए। people can depend on that person. And this is an outstanding quality. ये कोई normal quality नहीं है. This is an outstanding quality. और जब आपके पास outstanding quality होगा, when you have the outstanding quality, your personality becomes outstanding. Now you have to ask yourself, are you a dependable person?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, वो बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है, अपने आप को बोलो। You have to tell to yourself that yes, I am dependable. That is important.
I'm confident.
Absolutely. You may have dazzling talents and valuable skills, but if you're not dependable, you won't be successful in the long run. Try to understand what is being said. आपके पास बहुत qualities होगी, आप बहुत ज्यादा आपके पास पैसे हैं, but अगर आप dependable नहीं है तो आप successful नहीं है। You have to create your personality कि लोग आप पे भरोसा करें। Do what you say and you will do. जो आप बोलो वो आप करो. That is very important. I'm giving you a situation. मैं एक situation आपको बताता हूँ. एक अगेन मैं दो दोस्तों की कहानी बताऊंगा. दो दोस्त थे और उसमें से the one friend was having short of money. उसके पास पैसे कम थे. तो वो दूसरे दोस्त को कहता है कि कैन यू लेंड मी सम मनी, क्या तुम मुझे कुछ उधार दोगे, मैं तुमको संडे तक वापस कर दूंगा. सो बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती थी, तो दूसरे दोस्त ने उससे पैसे दे दिए. अब संडे आया तो संडे उसको पैसे वापस मिले नहीं. तो कोई बात नहीं, उसके दोस्त को लगा कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा, एक दो दिन बाद दे देगा. फिर दूसरा संडे आया, वो फ्रेंड से कुछ बात ही नहीं आ रहा है. मतलब वो फ्रेंड तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे, भाई पैसे मैं एक हफ्ते बाद दे दूंगा, बट दैट पर्सन वाज नॉट टेलिंग समथिंग. सो जो भी हो, ड्यू टू दिस, जो दूसरा दोस्त जो जिन्होंने पैसा दिया था, उसके दिमाग में एक डाउट आ गया. उसको लगा कि दिस पर्सन इज नॉट डिपेंडेबल. दिस पर्सन इज नॉट डिपेंडेबल, चाहे उसका कितना भी प्रॉब्लम हो. लेकिन उसने जब कमिट किया था कि वो मेरा पैसा दे देगा, उसको देना चाहिए था. और एल्स अगर प्रॉब्लम होता तो भी वो मेरे पास आता और बोलता कि आई एम वेरी सॉरी, आई एम फीलिंग रियली बैड, मैं तुमको बोला था कि मैं दूंगा, बट ड्यू टू सम रीजन आई एम नॉट एबल टू गिव यू. एटलीस्ट इतना तो पता चलता है कि ही इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल. बट सम पीपल व्हाट दे से दे फॉरगेट. नाउ यू आस्क योरसेल्फ, जो कमिटमेंट आप लोगों से करते हो, क्या वो आप पूरे करते हो? डू यू डू दैट, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए? दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट.
क्यों छेड़ रही है, दिख नहीं रहा.
So this is what I wanted to say, that be dependable. Dependability is very much important. Showing up on time shows people you care. लोगों को जब आपकी जरूरत है तो आप उनके पास जाइए, बिकॉज इससे आप डिपेंडेबल बनोगे. व्हेन पीपल दे नीड सम हेल्प, व्हेन यू गो एंड अप्रोच टू देम, यू बिकम डिपेंडेबल. शो अप ऑन टाइम. When you are dependable, you respond to request. There are many people, they make request. भाई थोड़ा ये कर दोगे मेरे लिए, थोड़ा ये कर दोगे. They request something to you. So when they request, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप सच में उसे हेल्प कर सकते हो, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि हर चीज में आप हाँ बोलो, you tell yes to everyone, but if you feel that you can really help that person, then always help. These are the ways you can be dependable. I know there are many people who are dependable and you are doing the same things. आप सच में अपने लाइफ में भी ऐसे करते होगे definitely. But I just want to tell everyone that be dependable. और वो तभी होगा जब आप दूसरों की कदर करोगे, दूसरे को हेल्प करोगे. It's far easier to be dependable when you live an organized life. When your life is organized, when you are organized, it becomes easier for you to become dependable. What is the meaning of organized? Okay, I just want to ask you, I'll specially ask Savita Parekh ji, organized का मतलब क्या होता है? When you are organized, what do you understand by organized?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Organized means you will prepare for any kind of situation. You are managing your everything according to situation, and you are capable to do whatever come in front of you as per the situation.
Okay.
आप सिचुएशन को उस अकॉर्डिंग उस चीज को मैनेज करके जो चलते हो, ऑर्गेनाइज उसी का है कि आप उसको किस वे में किस तरीके से करते हो?
Okay. I'll go to a different person. Yeah, Dharti, can you tell me what does it mean that organized people का मतलब क्या होता है? Yeah, I'm asking to Dharti. Yeah.
I'm डोंट नॉलेज ऑर्गेनाइज का मतलब एक संस्था होती है, ऐसा कोई मैंने सुना है कभी।
No, see, I'm not asking for the right answer. मैं किसी को ये नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ कि आपको right ही बोलना है. जो भी आपको पता है, you will be speaking. Okay, I'll be asking to Choitali Chatterjee. Choitali, can you tell me what do you understand by organized?
ऑर्गेनाइज का मतलब जे
Yes. Choitali, we are not able to listen you. Please unmute yourself. Okay, I'll go to Bhav. Yeah, Bhavna ji, can you tell me what do you understand by organized?
Sir, organized means systematic, you can say.
Absolutely
Whatever-
right.
Whatever we should do in a systematic manner.
Absolutely right. Organized का मतलब है be systematic. Keep the right thing in the right place. जो चीज जहां पे जानी है वहां पे रखो. जब आपको कोई चीज करनी है, then you do that on time. You know, organize means you are very much you keep things at the right time. आप सही टाइम पे सही चीज करते हो, आप सही चीज को सही जगह रखते हो. So you become Mr. Right. You know, जो आपको right लगता है, you do that. Even a small, अगर आपके पास एक सेफ्टी पिन है, वो सेफ्टी पिन भी आप कहाँ पे रखोगे, you know that, ताकि next time जब आपको जरूरत हो, आपको खोजना ना पड़े. You know where it has been kept and you go and take it. So that is called organized. And when you are organized, you know, people, they trust you more. बहुत लोग हैं जो कहीं पे भी मिला तो वहां पे चीजों को फेंक देते हैं. They throw things here and there and they don't know. और जब जरूरत होती है तो खोजते हैं, where is that? So guys, you need to know that, are you organized? Do you keep things in a right place? बात ये नहीं कि आप सच में ऑर्गेनाइज हो कि नहीं, लेकिन बात ये है कि आज के क्लास के बाद क्या आप में चेंजेस आएगा? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. बी अकाउंटेबल. बी अकाउंटेबल. बी अकाउंटेबल का मतलब होता है आप जो भी करते हो, whatever you do, जो भी आपसे लोग भरोसा करते हैं कि हाँ ये तो वो इंसान करेगा, आप उस चीज को करते हो. यू आर अकाउंटेबल. अकाउंटेबल मतलब आपका काम है, वो आपको करना ही है. दैट इज योर जॉब. सो व्हेन यू बिकम अकाउंटेबल, you do your job much more efficiently. आपका जॉब क्या हो सकता है? आप खाना बनाते होंगे या आप अपने कंपनी में काम करते होंगे. सो आपके कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं जो आप करते हो. सो क्या आप अपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को सही से निभाते हो? आर यू अकाउंटेबल? सो यू हैव टू आंसर योरसेल्फ दैट यस आई एम अकाउंटेबल. क्योंकि जब आप अकाउंटेबल होते हो तब लोग आप पे भरोसा करते हैं. यू बिकम डिपेंडेबल. So right now we are talking about, you know, today we are talking about 3 important values, जिसका सबसे पहला values था be dependable. Stay connected. लोगों से दूर मत रहिए, लोगों के साथ रहिए, लोगों के साथ कनेक्टेड रहिए. जितने आप लोगों के साथ कनेक्टेड रहोगे, you know, लोग आपको याद रखेंगे and people will trust you, people will stay with you. Stay connected. लोगों से दूर मत जाइए. Always stay connected with people. See, I'm giving you the points which will help you to be dependable in your life. और एक बार अगर लोग आप पे भरोसा करने लगे ना, you will be successful in life. This is very much important. When you speak and behave with consistency, you become someone others can depend upon. जब आप कोई चीज बोलते हो और वैसा ही करते हो और हमेशा करते हो, इट्स नॉट, मैं बार बार रिपीट कर रहा हूं, जो आप बोलते हो कि मैं ये करूंगी या मैं ये करूंगा, आप जो बोलते हो उसी उसी को अपने लाइफ में यूज करते हो और वो हमेशा करते रहते हो, you always do the right thing, then you will become dependable. You know, dependability is an outstanding quality. सब लोग dependable नहीं होते हैं लाइफ में. Dependability का मतलब होता है लोगों को पता है कि यस आप हो, लोग आप पे ट्रस्ट करते हैं, लोगों को लगता है कि जब तक आप हो तो उनका कोई खराब नहीं होगा, लोग आप पे भरोसा कर सकते हैं. So be dependable is very much important. So today the first value that we have learned, देखो ऐसी बात नहीं है कि ये सब आपको पता नहीं था, you know that, but you know the more we talk about it, हो सकता है कि किसी के किसी के अंदर एक फीलिंग आए कि सच में यार मेरे को डिपेंडेबल बनना पड़ेगा. Because the more you become dependable, your personality changes, you become organized in your life. Is there any question? This is the first value, the first shortcut to having the outstanding personality. Is there any question? Be dependable से अगर किसी को कोई भी question है तो आप पूछ सकते हो.
Yes, sir, I have.
Yes.
Can I
Mayur.
speak?
Yes,
Can I
yes, please,
speak?
please tell me.
Actually, I run a Montessori where the people trust me so much. I have certain principle also.
Very good.
The thing is, they ask me, they want to have favor from me. When I think that they need my help, I extend my hand to help them. But they always misuse me. What I have to do? What I
Okay.
have to do?
See,
I
now
trust them till today. So many people have done that. Still, I trust people. I don't take my hand back. I always want to help people, but the thing is, they cheat me. Why? Why it is happening?
see, if somebody, there is a saying, if somebody cheats me, shame on him
Hmm.
or her. But if somebody
Yeah.
cheats me twice, then shame on
Hmm.
me.
Yeah, that is true. That is very
Absolutely
true.
right. So
Yeah.
the important part is,
Hmm.
the most important part is that I will be always trusting people,
Yes.
because to trust people is an outstanding quality. So बहुत लोग
Yes.
बोलते हैं, there are many people, they say कि I will never trust people, people are so bad, लोगों पे विश्वास मत करो. This is not right. Always believe people. But that believe matlab, okay, that person is there, but it's not कि you are always आप उस पे dependable हो गए. यहाँ पे हम लोग ये बात नहीं कर रहे हैं कि आप किस पे डिपेंड हो गए. यहाँ पे we are talking about we have to be dependable. So I just want to
Yes.
say, I don't know what people will use me or not, but I will always do what is right. I will always help people if I can. And if I
Yes.
see that people are misusing me, I will try
Yes.
to avoid the distance, because I
Yes.
never want to be misused.
Yes.
लोग मुझे misuse करेंगे, so this is not a positive quality. In that case, we have to go back. But always try to help people, because this is an outstanding quality, to be dependable. It's very important to be dependable. Yes, is there any more question? Otherwise,
Sir, can I add one more point here?
yes, Farhanji.
Sir, like when she asks a question that somebody is misusing them. So let's say if you are misused, once. So secondly, you don't have to give any commitment to them at all, right? So rather
Okay.
than giving any commitment and then backing out, then you are
But
not
the
considered
problem
dependent.
is, not only once they cheat me, I will not be having connection with them. The other
Okay.
person will be having other situation where I have to go and interfere. That is the problem.
But that
See,
is a
Different
basic quality
kind
of
of
a human
people will
being.
be
If
there.
he is not
Right.
dependent, so he can have n number of solutions from you. You will realize that this guy or this person is not dependent. So you will not commit anything at all. rather than committing anything, then backing out, then I guess it's a problem with my dependability.
Absolutely. So whenever, thank you, Farhan. Thank you, Farhan. See, we have the limited time, so we have
Yes,
to
yes.
we have to close it as soon as possible. See, if I am dependent, it means if I'm dependable, people can depend on me. It means I'm really special. Not every person are, they are dependable. If you can really help people, then help people. Don't think that I'm being misused or rightly used. If you can help people, then you help people. Maybe the person in front of you, they are using you. But I'm telling you, if you think that you have time, you have the intention to help that person, you should never back up. Because see, this is an outstanding quality, and we are not talking about कि आप जमाने को कैसे बदलोगे, how to change people. यहाँ पे बात हो रहा है कि हम अपने को कैसे बदलेंगे. तो लोग हमें misuse कर रहे हैं कि क्या कर रहे हैं, वो हमको देखने का नहीं है. If I can really help people, then I will help people. लेकिन अगर मुझे लगता है कि किसी को हेल्प करके that is basically bothering me and it is hurting my life, तब आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. बट अगर आप किसी को हेल्प कर रहे हो और उससे आपको कोई परेशानी नहीं हो रही है, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग हर्ट, then help it. Don't judge anyone. That's what I would like to say. Okay, now I'll go for the next shortcut to an outstanding quality, and that is called the number 20. Avoid bearing grudges. Avoid bearing grudges. This is very important value. This is very, very important. I'll tell you what does it. I'll give you one example. जब भी example बात करते हैं तो things become more clear to people. There were two friends. There were two friends and they were very, very, very loving. They were very good partner. बहुत अच्छे partnership थी उनके बीच. And suddenly ना उनके बीच एक झगड़ा हो गया. They had a fight and they never talked to anyone. For 15 years, they never talked. And after that, one friend got a news that other friend, I'm telling friend one and friend two. The friend one came to know that friend two is very sick. Friend two is going to die. Then friend one thought, now why should I, be far? I should go and meet my friend. It's बहुत दिन हो गए, अब अगर वो उसकी हेल्थ इतनी बुरी है तो मुझे उसके पास जाना चाहिए. तो फ्रेंड वन वेंट टू फ्रेंड टू और उसके साथ बैठ के वो ढेर सारी बातें कर रही थी. ही वॉज टॉकिंग टू दैट फ्रेंड वन एंड इट वॉज ऑलरेडी द टाइम वॉज ओवर. द फ्रेंड टू डिसाइडेड कि नहीं अभी चलना चाहिए, तुम अपने सेहत का ख्याल रखना, प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ, नथिंग विल हैपन, डोंट वरी. बट जाने से पहले, बिफोर दैट फ्रेंड टू leaves the house, friend two said to friend one, and you'll be surprised to know that friend two ने friend one से कहा, if you survive, then our our grudge, our anger, our enmity will again survive. अगर तुम जिंदा रह जाती हो तो हमारी जो दुश्मनी है ना वो बरकरार रहेगी. Try to understand this. It means somebody is holding on to grudges. Somebody is holding, नहीं मेरे को किसी को माफ नहीं करना है. I don't want to forgive people. I really want to be angry, and because I am angry, I will never talk to that person. Now the question to you, I don't want an answer, you answer yourself. Is there anyone in your life whom you have never forgiven? कि आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा कोई इंसान है जिसको आपने माफ नहीं किया है? हो सकता है आपका दोस्त हो, आपके साथ तकरार हुई हो, झगड़े हुई हो. Think about that. हो सकता है your parents, your relatives. Think about it. Have you still holding that grudge? Are you still holding that? नहीं, मेरे को उससे बात नहीं करना है. Think about it. Because see, I'm not telling what is right, what is wrong, but if you don't hold it, if you forgive people, that is an outstanding quality. That is an outstanding quality. So agar if you really want to have an organized and outstanding personality, then आपके अंदर से वो grudge को निकालिए, वो गुस्से को निकालिए, and you forgive people. And it is not easy. It is not easy. जितना इजीली मैं बोल रहा हूं इतना इजी तो ये बिल्कुल नहीं है. आई नो दैट. और इसीलिए तो बहुत कम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज हैं. दैट इज द रीजन वेरी फ्यू पीपल आर आउटस्टैंडिंग. They have the outstanding personality. So it is very important that we should not hold, we should avoid having the grudges. You can read it. Anyone can hold a grudge, but it takes a person with character to forgive. We should have a character to forgive. हमारा character होना चाहिए कि हम forgive कर सकें. And character is more important than education. Character is more important than education. और जब आप लोगों को forgive करते हो ना, तो वो आपके character के बारे में बताती है कि what kind of person you are. So if you have any person whom you have never forgiven, जिसको आपने माफ नहीं किया है, और अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको ऑर्गेनाइज पर्सनालिटी चाहिए, देन मैं आपसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि जितनी जल्दी हो सके उस इंसान को फोन लगाइए एंड शॉर्ट इट आउट एवरीथिंग. डोंट होल्ड द ग्रज. दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं कि उसको माफ कर दीजिए. माफ कर दीजिए मतलब उसको भूल जाइए. उसने जो किया है आपके लाइफ में, यू फॉरगेट दैट. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग दैट, बट फॉरगिव. When you forgive, you release yourself from a painful burden. Because when you don't forgive ना, आपके अंदर एक burden रहता है. And when you say, I forgive you, चलो यार माफ किया, चलो कोई बात नहीं, then अंदर से ऐसा लगेगा कि आपका जो अंदर एक burden है ना, that goes out. And this is very much important. And this is the signal that yes, you are becoming an outstanding personality.
Sir, shall I give you one situation where
Yeah.
the situation is one person is pulling you down from your life all the
Okay.
time, backstabbing you all the
Okay.
time. So is it better to cut off that relationship and proceed in your life, or hold on to that same person who is always behind you? What do you say?
See, what I said, don't forget, if somebody has done anything bad to you, I'm telling that, you can avoid that person, but you should forgive that person. I'm not talking about should you talk or not. I'm telling कि उसको लेके गुस्सा मत रखिए. Don't hold the grudge inside you. Don't call him, don't meet him, but forgive him. It's okay.
Forgiveness is, yeah, I understand the situation. If I hold that grudge, I will be in burden. I will be holding that
Absolutely.
burden towards the
Absolutely.
life. But
Absolutely.
the thing is to cut off that relationship. Is it good or bad?
I would not say that cut off the relationship is the right answer. Rather, improving the relationship will always help. Go and talk to that person that why you are doing it. Have I done any mistake to you? It always, saving the relationship is always better than ending the relationship, because कोई relationship को end करना easy होता है, but उसको सही करना, to organize it, I think that would be much better option.
Okay, thank you.
Whatever. Absolutely. Forgiveness doesn't mean what happened was okay. And it doesn't mean that person should still be welcome in your life. So that's what I said. Forgiveness doesn't mean कि जो हुआ अच्छा, whatever happened, it was okay. No, it's okay. You are forgiving. It means ठीक है, okay. You are still welcome in my life.
Better
No.
to say not to come in my life and stay away from me. Is it correct?
No, don't say stay away from me. You try to,
Oh.
you can, it's not that you directly tell to anyone that stay away from me. That is not right. That is
It is
not,
understandable.
yeah.
Yeah.
You try to keep yourself away from that person, but whenever you meet that person, talk to that person. Don't ignore that person, don't avoid that person, but try to have the distance. That is much better. If you feel that somebody is really taking you for taking your importance and using you, so in that case I think whatever the case, you should always forgive. Forgiveness is an outstanding quality.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt that if the person is very close to us, okay, no, we cannot hold the grudge ourselves and we can forgive them. But
Absolutely.
sometime the person will see come to us and tell that okay, from my side that's a mistake happened, and this is the things okay, will not do repeat again in future. But and after that as usual, your life is going on, and again the person, the same person, the person is very close to you. So next time the person forget all the things and the same thing it happened. So in that case what we have to do, sir? Because we can't because anyhow you said don't break the relationship, because if you end that, it is not good. You have to be continue, but in a better way. So in that case what is the suggestion from your side, sir?
The suggestion is very simple, that you forgive that person by just thinking that it happens and there are people they do this. You
Yeah.
release. Oh, that anger you should not hold. But now you are going to meet that person or not, you're going to have a contact with that person or not, that you decide. But whenever you meet, you don't show that you are avoiding that person.
Okay.
Don't avoid that person, rather you keep distance with that person, but don't show that I'm avoiding you. Don't show that person, but you
Okay.
try to, you forgive. Don't keep that, अरे यार, that person has done so bad to me, उसने मेरे साथ बहुत बुरा किया, इसको पकड़ के नहीं रखना है. You have to release it. And the answer is this, forgive people in your life, even those who are not sorry for their actions. Holding on to anger only hurts you, not them.
Means that we just only forgive that people, but we can't be dependable.
Absolutely. We
No.
can't be dependable on that person.
Dependable now. Yeah.
You can't be dependable on that person.
Yeah.
I just want to give you one example. I had a friend, and he lives in Jamshedpur in Jharkhand. So he was my very good friend. So we were but every time he used to lie. बहुत झूठ बोलता था. We planned कि हम लोग एक साथ कहीं जाएंगे, and he also made a plan. Okay, we will go. But on that particular day, he was not reachable. जिस दिन जाना था वो अनरीचेबल हो गया, and I was not getting him. और ये एक बार नहीं हुआ. It repeated many times. So I made a mind कि that person is not dependable. But I will not say that person is bad. There are two things. That person is not bad, but that person is not dependable. So if that person is not dependable, it's okay to avoid that person. I should not be angry on that particular person, that why he did that, why he committed and he did not do it. No, I will not keep that anger. Rather, I will feel there are kind of people, they do this. I will forgive you. चलो यार, माफ किया, कोई बात नहीं. But yes, our friendship will not be so stronger in that case, but I will not avoid that person. And you know what happened? Again, after 10 years, I again went back to my Jamshedpur city, and I was just thinking, मैं सोच रहा था कि I will meet that friend again. And I was driving my bike and I was going to that friend again after I think 8-10 years. I wanted to meet that person. और उसके घर के थोड़ी देर पहले ही, before that his house, I stopped and I thought, छोड़ो यार क्या मिलेंगे उसके साथ. You know, because that friendship is not there, but that anger is also not there. I didn't want to meet that person, but it doesn't mean that, you know, I feel that person is bad. No, but I don't trust that person, so I don't think about it. So that person is not dependable. So this is what we are saying, that, you know, it happens sometimes. Some people, they are like that. आप उस पे depend नहीं कर सकते. In that case, you avoid that person. That is a very good thing. And but don't be angry on that person. So that will be not good. You can read it here. I don't forgive people because I am weak. I forgive them because I am strong enough to know people make mistakes. I don't forgive people because I'm weak. And it means people who can't forgive, people who can't really forgive, they are weak people. जो लोग forgive नहीं कर पाते, माफ नहीं कर पाते लोगों को, they are weak from inside. वो अपने में ही ना एकदम एंगर को हमेशा अपने दिल में लगा के रखते हैं, and they never forgive people. And this is not right. This is not right for you. This is not right for you because it is hurting you more. This is hurting you more. Okay, any question if you want to ask? Is there anyone who want to ask? Yes.
May I?
Yeah, Nusrat Jahanji, tell me.
If someone is doing wrong again and again and cheating again and again, and sometimes he shows me you are important for me, and sometimes he is doing the same thing, cheating, and shows his diplomatic ways. So what I have to do, sir?
You have to forgive that person and you have to keep distance with that person. Simple. See, I'm giving one more example. You know.
So then he,
Yeah, tell me.
if sometime I was given him, that time he should please to me. Yeah, I am again that thing, and he doing again and again that same thing because he knows. I am very careful towards him. What I have to do in this case?
So I said, no, you can only do one thing. Avoid that person. You know, if that person comes to
If he
you,
plays emotional drama, so what I have to do?
don't be
While crying and
emotional.
all and all.
If he cries, go to him, meet him, but don't be dependable on him. Don't be dependent on him. If that person is crying, okay, I'm coming, I'm meeting, you do your part, but don't be dependent on him. Don't trust him. If that person has really broken your trust, it will be not advisable to again trust that person, but you should forgive that person. Never tell anybody that that person is bad. That person has a different type. वो इंसान का type थोड़ा सा अलग
I
है.
accepted this thing right now, but last few months ago, I was so much depressed because of his behavior.
So you are depressed. You are depressed because you are dependent on that person some way.
Right now, I understand what is the diplomatic face and what he did with me.
Absolutely. So it is better that we should forgive people, but if not be dependent, but we should forgive people. This is very much important. You know, I'm telling you one very important part. एक example देता हूँ because आप लोग example में you understand more. You know, there were husband and wife. They were together for 5-6 years, and after that they had a fight and then they separated. Okay, and after a long time, that husband was asked by somebody else, what happened, why you had divorce with your wife. उस husband को पूछा गया कि क्यों भाई divorce क्यों लिया तुम लोगों ने. So husband ने ये नहीं कहा कि my wife was bad. The husband said that it was our mutual decision. हमारे बीच में बनी नहीं. We didn't have a good relationship. So that is the reason we decided that it's better to leave. इसका मतलब क्या है? That person is so good. You know, he वो बोल सकता था that, you know, my wife is not good. My wife was not good. That is the reason I left her. But he didn't say that my wife was not good. He said that there was a mismatch between our interest, you know, so that is the reason we separated. एक और एग्जांपल देता हूं मैं. एक हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ है और उसका एक बच्चा है, एंड यू नो दे गॉट अ डिवोर्स, दोनों का डिवोर्स हो गया, एंड बच्चा जो है वो माँ के पास रहा. बहुत समय देखा जाता है कि बच्चा, दैट चाइल्ड आस्क्स हिज मदर that, why did you leave my papa? Then that wife says, he is so bad. This is called grudge, but that wife says, no beta, he is a very nice person, but our relationship was not that good. That is the reason we decided that we will be separated. हमारा relationship अच्छे नहीं थे, but वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान है, but हमारे बीच ना वो match नहीं हुआ, and that is the reason we separated. But we both care for you. हम लोग दोनों तुमको care करते हैं. This is the way of a person having an outstanding personality they should say. लेकिन होता उल्टा है. कभी भी अगर divorce होता है, झगड़ा होता है, we always blame people that he was bad, he is responsible. So it's very important that मैं नहीं चाहता है किसी के लाइफ में ऐसा हो, लेकिन never say that somebody is bad and I am good. It means you are having that anger inside you. He is also good, I am also good, but हम में बनती नहीं है. We didn't have same taste, and that is the reason we don't meet. मैं नहीं बोला कि मैं उस दोस्त के पास गया, but मैं उसके घर के सामने जाके मुझे लगा कि छोड़ो यार, क्या मिलते हैं. But it doesn't mean that my friend is bad. It's not like that. But I didn't feel it. So मैंने लगा कि ऐसे formality के लिए जाके तो फायदा नहीं है. It's okay to do something else. So it's very important that, we should not hold the grudge. Okay. So guys, today we have talked about, yes, tell me.
Sir, I have an interconnected question about this.
Yeah.
Sir, एक example है, I guess आप उसका आंसर दे देंगे. तो सिमिलर एक सिचुएशन है, मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, उनके हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में बनी नहीं और फिर डाइवोर्स हो गया, राइट. डाइवोर्स के साथ प्रोसीडिंग स्टार्ट हुई, तो कोई भी जब मेरे फ्रेंड से पूछा था व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग, he said that girl was good but there was a mismatch, that's why we divorced. That was okay, sir. So उन्होंने उनको माफ कर दिया था. But after a few months he came to know that girl was having affair with some other guy. That's one of the reasons she left him.
Okay.
अब सर उनको उसके अंदर grudge है. So what do you think? इस time grudge continue रहना चाहिए?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. यार मेरा separation हो गया, उसको कोई अच्छा लग गया, so it was good.
नहीं सर, separation के पहले से अच्छा लग गया था.
अरे तब तो और अच्छा है, कोई बात नहीं. Then it is absolutely fine. That is okay. हो ही सकता है यार, अगर वो मुझे अगर see, it is not easy.
She is in relation, she is committed for him, yes, so that is a cheating, na. So जो grudge है, that is a basic human emotion.
You people are not understanding what we are discussing. We are not discussing what is good, what is bad. We are discussing how to improve my personality. If I want to improve my personality, I have to change my approach. I have to think that ऐसा हो सकता है, it can happen. So I should forgive her. अरे यार, अगर मुझे पहले पता होता तो I should have taken the initiative. ऐसा होना चाहिए.
She knows before her marriage, na. So this is a cheating. मतलब if she has this type of affair with someone, so she can easily speak with her fiancé. So this is a cheating, sir. According to us, yes.
No, definitely. See, I may have an affair, and after that, maybe if I marry somebody else, I will reveal all the secret to that person. But after my marriage, I should be committed. I should not be thinking about anyone else.
Yeah.
So that is okay. But when I am a husband, and if I come to know that my wife is doing it, I will take it in a different way. I will not have the grudge, because grudge is basically not helping you. If I come to know that my wife likes someone, I know it's not easy to do that, but still I'm telling you, इट इज अ प्रैक्टिस वी हैव टू डू. हमें अपने आप को एक ऐसे लेवल में ले जाना है ना कि हमें किसी के काम से हमारे लाइफ को मैं ठेस नहीं पहुंचा सकता. सो मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि माई वाइफ डिड गुड. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग आई विल फॉरगिव बिकॉज इट कैन हैपन. You know, I'm telling you very important line. अगर आप चाहो तो इसको लिख सकते हो, इसे अपने लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. There is a line in English. Listen very carefully. Very important line. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया ना, you will never be hurt. You will never be hurt. आपको कभी कभी खराब नहीं लगेगा अगर इस चीज को आप समझ गए. The line is, we should be open to everything. We should be open to everything, attached to nothing. We should be open to everything and attached to nothing. Anything can happen in my life. Even what I have never imagined, that can also happen. Yes, Shwetali?
Tell me again. Everything.
Then? I'm open to everything, attached to nothing. Or be open to everything, attached to nothing. We should not be attached to anything कि अगर वो इंसान कुछ गलत करता है तो I feel angry. We have to create our personality so that nobody can affect me. Nobody can affect me. And it needs practice. इतना आसान नहीं है. It needs practice. And if you know, feel this line, whatever I said, be open to everything, attached to nothing, you will see drastic change in your life. आपके लाइफ में कुछ अगर खराब हो भी जाता है ना, you will say it's okay, it happens. I should be always open to everything. कुछ भी हो सकता है लाइफ में. Anything can happen. We should be always mentally ready. And we should be always ready to forgive. Okay, guys, we have the last value to talk about. Okay, and that is also very important. Very, very important. Okay, and that is called practice integrity. Practice integrity. We know, we heard the story, you know, the boy who cried wolf, 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 you know, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं शेर आया, या, you know, तो kind of story, he was not doing right. Even, you know, we got to, हमें एक और story पता है कि एक दिन एक इंसान का जो, you know, the axe है वो नदी में गिर गया, and he was not finding it. Then there is a goddess came and said, which is it is silver one or the golden one? Then, you know, it is very, and that person said, no, this is not mine. Having an integrity, practice integrity. Before I go ahead, I would like to know from you, what do you understand by integrity? So I will ask Farhan Khan, what do you understand by integrity?
Sir, it means honesty.
Okay, Farhan says it is honesty.
Having strong principles.
Having strong, basically integrity is a principle. So of course it is very strong. Yes, is there anyone who would like to add? Yes, anyone who would like to? Yes.
Avoid greediness.
No, not greediness.
Sir, actually, it's a quality
Satisfactions.
of honesty, sir.
Okay,
And,
I'll tell you.
Sir, not corrupt. Sir, not corrupt.
Okay, let me tell you one very good example. You will understand this example, you know. And it is a real example of my life. When I was a student and I was studying, and next day is my exam. Okay, I was studying and next day is my exam, and my father came to me and my father said, Subhash, you have to go to market to bring some vegetables. So I have my exam. I was studying that time, and my father said, you have to go to market to bring vegetables. And I was very scared of my father. So I could not say no to my father. I could not say no to my father. I left studying and I went to market and brought the vegetables. I did what I didn't want to do. मैंने वो किया जो मैं नहीं करना चाहता था. इंटेग्रिटी का मतलब है I will do what is right, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. उस समय अगर मैं ये सोचता, और if I would have told my father that Papa, I'm very sorry, but I cannot go right now because I'm studying. Because that was right. I could not, if I leave that place, my concentration will go out from that part. That's, you know, I was studying that time. But you know, as I said, मैं अपने father को इतना डरता था कि मैं ना बोल ही नहीं पाया. Right क्या था? Right था कि मैं अपने फादर को अच्छे से बोलूं, पापा आई एम वेरी सॉरी बट मैं नहीं जा सकता. बट आई कुड नॉट से दैट. आई लॉस्ट माई इंटेग्रिटी. जो राइट है उसे करना, दैट इज इंटेग्रिटी. डू व्हाट इज राइट. कभी कभी कुछ लोग ऑनेस्ट होते हैं लेकिन राइट नहीं होते. राइट अलग चीज है, ऑनेस्टी अलग चीज है. You know, हमारे बीच में बहुत लोग हैं, आप में भी बहुत लोग होंगे जो आप लोग बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं. आप लोग में बहुत लोग हैं जो बहुत अच्छे हैं. हमें ना अच्छे लोग नहीं चाहिए, हमें सही लोग चाहिए. बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं जो लोग दूसरे को ना नहीं बोल पाते, लेकिन कभी कभी हमें लोगों को ना बोलना पड़ेगा. इफ आई फील कि ना यस बोलने से आई कैनॉट, यू नो, बहुत लोग चाहते हैं कि मेरे को नहीं करना है, बट स्टिल दे डू इट. दैट इज रॉन्ग. इंटेग्रिटी मीन्स डू व्हाट इज राइट. नाउ मेरे लिए राइट अलग होगा, आपके लिए राइट अलग होगा, दैट इज डिफरेंट. बट डू व्हाट इज राइट, दैट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, most of the people, they don't do what is right. They do what is good. I'm giving one more example. I was a banker. मैं एक बैंकर था. मैं 8 साल बैंक में नौकरी किया, लेकिन ना मुझे बैंक की नौकरी अच्छी नहीं लगती थी. I used to feel कि यार मुझे बैंक अच्छा नहीं लगता है, लेकिन मैं जब 2-3 लोगों को पढ़ाता हूँ तब उतना नहीं पढ़ाता था. I used to teach some people. So मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगता था. I used to love that. लेकिन मुझे बैंक से एक अच्छी रकम आती थी. I used to get the good salary. So I thought, what should I do? पैसे के लिए वो काम करूं जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है, या मैं वो काम करूं जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, चाहे उससे थोड़ी पैसे आए, but I will enjoy that work. So now my question to you, I'm not expecting any answer, you know, that I have left my job. मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया, तो क्या मैंने सही किया? What do you think? Because my father was against of me. My father said, don't leave your job. तुम साइड में, आप साइड में टीचिंग करो ना, कोचिंग करो, कोई बात नहीं, बट जॉब मत छोड़ना. Because you are getting salary and don't leave job. लोगों को बैंक में नौकरी नहीं मिलता है, और आप तुम बोल रहे हो कि जॉब छोड़ दोगे, वो भी बैंक की नौकरी. So, you know, it is very...
It depends on you, sir. What do you think? What did you think at that time? According to you, what was right?
What was right? For me, that time I used to feel, and I still feel, I should do what I love to do. What I love to do.
Then, sir, you have done right thing.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah,
I think you did right, sir, because if we are not comfortable and we are not happy with doing something, it's good. If ever a situation is not good, it may be due to some financial issue, so you should keep going on. If you are not you are able to do all things, so you should do. You did right, sir. Left the job of bank job.
Okay, there are 2 things. I think and I believe I have done right. और अगर ये नहीं भी है तो I just took the decision and made it right. मैंने एक डिसीजन लिया और उसको राइट साबित किया. अभी भी कर रहा हूं और आगे जाके भी करूंगा, ताकि मेरे दिमाग में कभी ये ना आए कि मैंने बैंक की नौकरी छोड़ के गलती की. एंड एवरी टाइम, यू नो, कोई भी डिसीजन राइट रॉन्ग नहीं होता है. यू टेक द डिसीजन and make it that yes, this is the right decision. You know, that is important. That is called integrity. I will do what is right. Okay, let's see some example, you know. Integrity means being right. I will do what is right, what I feel right. जो मुझे right लगता है, मैं वो करूंगा. जैसे एक और एग्जांपल देता हूं. एक फैमिली है, उस एक फैमिली में जो फादर है वो बीजेपी को सपोर्ट करते हैं और जो लड़का है वो कांग्रेस को सपोर्ट करता है. Try to listen, huh? The father supports BJP and the child, the son supports Congress. Now, before they go for voting, the father tells to the son, बीजेपी को ही वोट करना, ठीक है? तो उसका जो son है वो, that son said कि okay papa. Okay papa, what is okay papa? How could you say that I will vote? I prefer Congress, I will vote Congress. I'm not telling which party is good. Huh? I'm not going into that. I'm just telling what you feel right, you should always do that. चाहे कोई भी हो, if you feel you are right, then you should not leave that. You should respect that. That is very important. Reaching destination on time is right. आप लोग सोचो, आपको पता था कि आज क्लास 7:30 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. So what is right? I should be here by 7:25. That is right. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. I should be here by 7:25 because that is right. उसके लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा, but I will take the problem, but I will be on time. But यहाँ क्या होता है, यहाँ पे ठीक है 5 minutes 10 minutes थोड़ा लेट हो जाए, nothing will go away. हाँ, केके सर के क्लास में राइट टाइम पे जाएंगे. You know, Subhash sir तो he's a very friendly, no, he understands, you know.
नहीं तो गाली पड़ेगा.
See, it's not about which teacher is teaching. It's about your character. Are you on time? Because when you are not on time, you are doing something which is not right, and you are creating an impression. आप मुझे impression देते हो, हाँ वो तो लेट से ही आता है, वो तो लेट से ही आती है, वो impression मेरे दिमाग में बन जाता है. So that is not right, you know. The right is I should always be on time, whatever happens. Whatever happens. I finish my work first, then help others is right. Always you do your job first and then you help people. You know, I have seen many people, they help others first and then they help themselves. ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो दूसरों को पहले हेल्प करते हैं, उसके बाद अगर समय मिल गया तो अपने बारे में सोचते हैं.
That's why they suffer.
That is not right. That is the reason this is not right. You have to always think about you first. I'm not telling don't think about others. I'm telling you think about you first and then help others. आप अगर फ्लाइट में भी कभी चढ़े होगे ना, तो वहां पे भी बोला जाता है कि जब इमरजेंसी हो, you put your mask first and then you put masks to others. But कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छे लोग होते हैं, some good people, you know, they always try to help others. चाहे मेरा कुछ भी हो जाए, उसका कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. So this is not right. Integrity means I will do what is right. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. Because मुझे अपने father से बहुत डर लगता था. But still I took the decision that, you know, my father said, don't leave the job. Job मत छोड़ना, but I already left it. उसके लिए मुझे बहुत कुछ सुनना पड़ा, but इतनी तसल्ली जरूर है कि I feel that yes, I have done what is right. So again, the same question to you. Do you think that you are a good person or a right person? If you are a good person, then आप हमेशा yes yes बोलते होगे सबको. हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है, I'll help you, I'll help you, I'll help you. Yes sir, मैं कर दूंगी, मैं कर दूंगा. And you will suffer one day.
Sir, shall I tell you one situation?
Yeah, Mayura ji.
Actually, the thing was, in the month of March, COVID hit, right? We all lost our jobs.
Absolutely.
So my son was going to one company where he was working hard and he was enjoying the job at that time. The situation came where they started stressing him so much. So he wanted to leave the job. But the situation was like whole family has left the job and nobody was earning. The thing was, I told him not to leave the job.
Yeah.
But the situation came that he has to leave the job. Maybe they might have thrown him out of the job. He said, I am leaving the job within 1 week. So there was no hope from any side, and we don't have a character that we will go get the money from others, borrow, lend the money like that. We have systematic life. So that hurted us so much. For few months, we could follow, survive with our savings or all those things. The situation came where he has to do the job. No one else from the family could do the job. At that time, he only joined another company and started taking care of the family. Now he is doing that, but the thing is, what is right for him is not not happening. He is not happy to do that job, but still he has to do. Are we forcing him to do that job? We don't have any other sources of income. I know only teaching. My husband knows some other job. So this is the situation. Are we forcing him now?
It's
What
not,
we have to do?
see, it's not about what you are telling. What that person is thinking, that will decide his integrity. Your integrity, what is right for you, it may not be right for your son.
Yes. Yes.
Right. So it is not easy for me to tell me who is right, whether you are right or your son is right. Integrity is always evaluated self basis. What your son believes what is right, I think that is right for that person.
That's what
cannot.
he is also telling me. Until you people stand on your feet, I will support the family.
Yeah,
After
that is
that, I
fine.
will
Then
leave
that is
my
right. That
thing.
he feels that is right then. Absolutely. That is right. Okay, guys, we have to go a bit fast now. Learn to say no. Learn to say no. ना बोलना सीखिए, नहीं तो आप प्रॉब्लम में पड़ जाओगे. When you want to say no, saying no is right. जब आप ना बोलना चाहते हो, then ना बोलना ही सही है. But so many people, they fail to say no. So guys, if you really want to practice integrity, you have to say no to people. This is very important and very difficult, but it is very important.
Because sir, whenever we say no, we always think that what other people will think if I say no.
You know, whenever you say no, बहुत अच्छा मैं example दे रहा हूँ. When you want to say no, say no, because जब आप सामने वाले को no बोलते हो, तो you say yes to something. आप जब सामने वाले को नो बोलते हो, यू आर सेइंग यस टू समथिंग. उसके ऊपर फोकस करो कि मैं सामने वाले को नो अगर बोल रहा हूं तो मैं इनडायरेक्टली किसको यस बोल रहा हूं. लाइक इन माई एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं अपने फादर को नो बोल देता, मेरा एग्जाम है, देन मैं अपने स्टडीज को यस बोलता. लेकिन मैंने इनडायरेक्टली स्टडीज को नो बोल दिया और अपने फादर को यस बोल दिया. सो ऑलवेज व्हेनेवर यू से नो टू समवन, डोंट फोकस ऑन आप किसको नो बोल रहे हो. फोकस की जिसको आप नो बोल के किस चीज को यस बोल रहे हो इनडायरेक्टली, देन यू विल फील मच बेटर. You will feel comfortable saying no to people. Talk with courtesy with others is right. लोगों से अच्छे से courtesy के साथ बात करना is right. So guys, have integrity. This is very much important. Do right may not be easy. Right करना easy नहीं है, but right है. So do right. If it is not easy, you will cry also, but do what is right. If you really want to have an organized personality, do what is right. It may not be easy. Do right. It may not be good. हो सकता है मैं अपने फादर को अगर ना बोलता तो मैं बुरा बन जाता. I would have become bad son to my father, but I would have become right person in my life. So sometimes you have to compromise with good and right. You know, you have to compromise the good because right is the ultimate thing to do. Say what is right, do what is right. Do right, whatever it takes to, jo bhi ho jaye. Do what is right. You feel what is right. Do right as soon you want success. If you really want success, follow what is right. Do what is right. Do right even you face temporary lows. Even आपके life में बहुत problem हो रहा है. You know, when you are doing right, there are problems. But still, you have to do right. Keep on doing what is right. Do right, even success is seen really far. You know, when I left my bank and I started my business, I started my coaching, it was a very bad time. You know, I used to earn good money from my bank, but I left banking and I came into coaching, and my salary, you know, my income came down. I was earning a good amount of money, but when I left banking, my income went down. But I'd never thought that I've done anything bad. I kept on working because I know that when we do right, sometimes success is seen really far. Success बहुत far दिखता है, but एक satisfaction है that no, I'm doing what is right, so I will reach where I deserve to reach. मुझे अपना success जरूर मिलेगा. This is very important.
Sir, one thing I want to know.
Yes.
Sir, when you left your bank job,
Yes.
that time you may feel for some time that I have taken bad decision.
Never. देखो, I'll tell you. ये exam, you know, एक incident मैं बोलता हूँ. One of my, एक मेरा colleague था जो बैंक में मेरे साथ नौकरी करता था. उसने बोला, या सुभाष, when you used to work in bank, सैलरी आती थी आपका 30th को सैलरी घुसती थी, तो सैलरी घुसने का एक मैसेज आता था, you know, मोबाइल में मैसेज आता था, your salary has been credited. But after you left banking, वो जो मैसेज तो आता नहीं, अभी तो सैलरी नहीं आती, अभी तो you know, you teach people, अगर स्टूडेंट्स आए तो इनकम है, अगर स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आए तो इनकम नहीं है. तो तुमको कभी डर नहीं लगता, कभी नहीं लगता कि तुमने गलती किया है? तो मैंने उसको ये आंसर दिया that I wake up in the morning 5 o'clock, I do exercise and meditation, then at 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock, I do this. After that, I teach people. After that, I came home. After that, I go to market. Then I came back, spend time with my family, and then I sleep. अरे भाई, डरने के लिए भी तो टाइम चाहिए. I have to, if I have to think negative, I have to have a time. I'm telling you, आप में से कोई भी अगर negative सोचता है, इसका मतलब है कि you are wasting time and you have lot of time. So I just want to tell you, when you are focusing on what you want to do and you are busy, then you never think about any negative thing. Negative thoughts उनको आते हैं जो खाली बैठे रहते हैं और उनका कोई काम नहीं रहता. So in
no,
my
sir, but
life,
no, sometimes that when you have taken a good decision or right decision, whatever it is, but because you are surrounded by many people like family members, your relatives, so they always speak something what you have taken, why you have taken this decision. So
कुछ
this
तो
always
लोग कहेंगे.
Sir, but as a mother,
You know, लोगों का काम है कहना, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Savita ji, you are saying something.
as a mother, as a wife, or as a daughter-in-law, you can say, it's a very difficult to take decisions. You have to think a lot
Yes,
about
you
a
have,
lot of people.
absolutely. But पहले,
I
you
can
know,
take my example only. I cannot say no to anyone, friends, husbands,
that is a
relatives.
weakness. That is a weakness.
Yes, that is my weakness. I know, but I cannot improve it.
Now you have to first you decide that I will improve it, then it will become easy for you. You have already decided that I cannot say
Of
no.
time I tried. Lots of time.
You keep on trying. You keep on trying. You do the class. I will tell you how to say no.
Sir,
It's
sir,
very, yes, Polash.
sir, मेरा एक माने क्वेश्चन है. मान लीजिए कि मेरा एक दोस्त था. हाँ, मेरा दोस्त वो हमेशा वो माने जो भी उसको सही लगे वही बोलता था. हाँ, तो ये चीज कभी कभी अच्छा लगता था, कभी कभी खराब लगता था. तो एक बार क्या हुआ, मेरा एक दोस्त का बहन का शादी था. तो शादी में हम दोनों ही इनवाइट थे. तो अच्छा खाना पीना हुआ. तो खाना पीना होने के बाद जब हम लोग आ रहे थे, उसका पापा माने जिसका माने बहन का शादी था, उसका पापा आ गया. उसका पापा के बोला, बेटा कैसे खाना खाया? सब ठीक ठाक था. तो मेरा दोस्त जो मेरा बगल में खड़ा था, मैं उसको ताकता रहा ये क्या बोलेगा अभी. हाँ, तो वो बोलने लगा, अंकल नहीं ठीक है, लेकिन जो आपका जो मांसू बना था ना, वो सही नहीं है, वो एकदम गलत बना है, फालतू बना एकदम. हाँ. तो बोलने के बाद मैं अंकल का मुंह देखता रहा कि अंकल का रिएक्शन क्या होगा. सच में अंकल का रिएक्शन जब मैंने हम नोटिस किया तो देखा कि वो बहुत सैड हो गया. इतना रिटायर करने के बाद बेटी का शादी कर रहा है. हाँ, जितना जमा हुआ पैसा था बेटी के ऊपर खर्च कर दिया, और उसको ये रिएक्शन मिलता है कि मांसो जो बना है ना अंकल,
अरे वो
एकदम गलत बना है.
मांसो मत बोलो, उसको चिकन या मटन बोलो, लोग
ठीक
समझेंगे
है
ना.
सर, चिकन और मटन जो बना है वो एकदम गलत बना है. तो एट द टाइम मैं सोचा कि ये बंदा सही है, ठीक है सही बोला, लेकिन सही किस अंदर से बोलना चाहिए, उसको किस अंदर से बोलना चाहिए, या उस टाइम उसको नहीं भी बोलना था तो चलता. उसका अच्छा नहीं बोले ठीक है, नहीं भी बोलता तो अच्छा रहता, लेकिन वो हार्ट कर दिया, माने सेंटिमेंट को हार्ट कर दिया. तो ये क्या सही था सर? ये तो मनमानी हुआ ना सर. जो मेरा जो मन में आए वो मैं बोल दूंगा, जो विचार मेरा आए वो मैं कर दूंगा. वो किसी को जाए, किसको माने अच्छा लगे ना लगे, मैं अपना वैसे ही चलूंगा. ये क्या सही है सर?
See, first of all, you have to understand what is right. First of all, I'm going to party for what reason? To eat chicken and mutton, or to give my blessing, give my love to the wedding people, right? So that is right. That is the main function, where we go and bless and give our wishes to the people. That is right. And yes, right situation में वो chicken अच्छा नहीं बना, ये अच्छा नहीं बना, this is for my personal belief, this is a stupidity. This is not an integrity. Integrity is doing what is right, keeping the respect of the person. Always understand, when I said no to my father, I did not say no. मैंने no नहीं बोला कि नहीं मैं नहीं जाऊंगा या मैं नहीं करूंगा. आपको नो भी बोलना है और अच्छे से नो बोलना है ताकि सामने वाले को खराब ना लगे. आप अपने बात को ऐसे रखो so that the other person is not get hurt. आपको अगर ना भी बोलना है उसको अच्छे से बोलो. उस पे फोकस नहीं करो जो अच्छा नहीं बना, उस पे फोकस करो जो अच्छा बना. The food which was good, you should talk about that. That is right. So this is a very silly thing, but that person was not a good character. When you say something what you felt. Okay, so the last point is do right when nobody believes you, not even your close ones. You have to do right when nobody believes you. कोई भी आपको believe नहीं करता है. Even आपके अपने भी आपको believe नहीं करते हैं. Even that situation also, you have to do right. So guys, this integrity is very, very, very important. And very few people, they have integrity. Now you have to understand whether you have integrity or not. किसी को ना बोलना हो ना तो अच्छे से ना बोलो, respect दे के ना बोलो, but ना ही बोलो, because that is integrity. If you want to say no and if you're saying yes, आप नो बोलना चाहते हो लेकिन आप यस बोल रहे हो किसी का दिल रखने के लिए, you are doing the most worst action in your life. That is not going to help you. So guys, today we have discussed about 3 important values. The first was be dependable and practice loyalty. Always be dependable so that people they can believe you, they can trust you, and you know they should feel that nahi aap ho to koi problem nahi hai. जिस दिन ये आप create कर दोगे ना, you will have the organized personality. Avoid bearing grudges. अगर दिल में अभी भी इस क्लास को करने के बाद भी अगर आपको लगता है ना कि किसी के लिए अभी भी ग्रज है, दुश्मनी वाला फीलिंग है, हेट्रेड वाला है, उसे निकाल दो and go to that person, talk to that person and then वहां से निकल आओ, but उसको अंदर मत रखो. That is very painful. And the last thing we talked about, practice integrity. Always do what is right. It is not easy, but do right. It is very tough. You may cry, but do right. This is very much important. So thank you, my dear friends. It was, today it was a personality development class and our topic was how to have an outstanding personality. So today was the day 7. आज जो था day 7 था. तो आप लोगों में किसी को अगर day 1 से लेके day 6 का लिंक चाहिए, so that ना जिसको भी चाहिए वो मुझे WhatsApp करेगा तो मैं उसे लिंक दे दूंगा. Okay.
व्हाट्सएप नंबर